Yo, what up? I just made this thing real quick that turns this thing into another thing that shows up in my game. Don't pay attention to the code as it will cause flashbacks of the milkman's code. Is this not the sickest, dopestillest polygon you have ever seen? Now check this out. I'ma change the shape of this cube in Blender and recompile my game.
Yes, I am a nerd, bookworm. I'm studious. From my cerebral cortex to my gluteus. Back in kindergarten, I aced my college entrance exam. Now, I'm no rocket scientist. Oh, wait, I am. When I pour my alphabets, I get nothing but straight A's. My retainer and headgear connect to a back brace. I got a...
Notice this meta program. Jonathan Blow would be proud. Also, notice that the exported vertex values have changed. Now look. Pay attention, boy. As Uncle Terry Davis would say, I am the greatest programmer that has ever lived. I left out the racial slurs for obvious reasons.